Hey guys, this is a 1999 Acura Integra. It's got the 1.8. So what we're going to be doing here is well, I already did it. It's the radiator. Replaced a new radiator. And we're going to do the coolant bleeding procedure. Here's the old one. It cracked near the plastic seams and started leaking. Started smoking and lost a lot of coolant. So we went ahead and we replaced the radiator. Everything is done now. It's pretty simple, you know. To remove the radiator, you just take out these two 10mm bolts for the bracket that holds the radiator. You remove this 10mm bolts right here, this one here. You move this out of the way, and then you go ahead and you loosen this one here. This one's an 8mm, or you can use a flathead and just remove the hose. Personally, I don't like using these. This radiator was already replaced and someone else who did it used these. I like the ones that come with the manufacturer. Those are pre-tensioned already. Now when you get down here, you know, you remove this lower radiator hose. Same thing with an 8mm, and then just take that out. And you got two transmission lines right there. So this one has the fitting that I was talking about that comes from the manufacturer. That's what you want. And you got another one right there. You remove that. And then in this case, I had to remove this 10mm bolt so I can move this out of the way. And then it's very simple. You just remove the radiator. Quite simple. So I couldn't find no videos on this Acura Integra, but it's very similar to a lot of the other Hondas. And that's it. So now I'm on the part where I'm going to be doing the coolant flush. The bleeding procedure I meant. I'm going to go ahead and start the car up. Put the heater on. This way you can gauge. As you can see, if it's gonna get a hot. So this particular is a 1999 Acura Integra, 145,000 miles. It's got a flashing engine light. Something I'm gonna look into. What's going on? So the key is that this heater should start blowing hot. That's the key right there. So we're gonna try to do it at the normal. Wait for the fans to kick in for the normal operating temperature. As you can see, the air bubbles are coming on that one, which means that there's a lot of air in the system. It's gonna push it out. Always good to use this spill-free funnel system. Get it about at $50 at AutoZone, or you can order it online for like $10 less. $20 less. And there you go, you let it run. You have to wait till these bubbling stop. That means that the procedure is done, and at the same time the car shouldn't be overheating, and these vents should be blowing hot air, which means you're all set.